What's up? It's your boy Mal. Today's another day in Tea Time. Tea Time with Mal is actually a segment where I talk about different kinds of experiences, like spiritual, life, motivational, whatever. If that's something you're interested in, consider hitting the subscribe button down below for future content. How you doing, peeps? I hope you're having a great day today, because I hope everyone's having a great day. Although not everyone has a great day all the time, hope what I talk about today helps you see the greatness in whatever happens in your life. Have you ever heard the phrase, listen to your heart? Have you tried it? Are you good at it? Today I'm going to cover a couple things that should help you get better at understanding yourself. In a previous video I talked about listening to yourself and creating this kind of vessel inside so that way you can view your emotions from a non-attached perspective. Now if you have seen that video and you've done everything in it, you're on your way to getting better at understanding yourself and what's going on. But why is that important though? Well, it's said that the universe does help you achieve whatever you desire. But it's not going to hand it to you, nor is it just going to force it upon you. Like in the book The Alchemist, the main character had to go out, work hard, and search for his treasure. But he would not be able to find it if he didn't know how to listen to himself and the signs in the universe. But to be able to listen and see and understand the signs, you have to practice. It's just like with any skill. To get better at it, you got to just keep practicing and practicing. So for this case, before we begin, whichever one you believe in, the spirit guide, the universe, higher self, whatever, please keep in mind, that's kind of who you're going to talk to. We'll get to that in a second. Now that we got that covered, first thing that we're going to go over is a way to listen to your inner self and get better at it. So let's begin. Alright, so the first thing that you got to do is just listen to your moods or listen to your hunger. What I mean by that is you have to understand how you feel, what kind of foods you want, what are you hungry for, what are you craving for, something. And once you can master that, you kind of know what you want all the time, kind of feel, then that will be a lot easier for the next step. Number 2, you gotta ask yourself a question. When you find yourself in a place that you have to make a decision on something, whether it's something to buy, what to wear for the day, what to eat. What I mean is that when you have a choice, you need to be able to ask yourself a question. That question is, which one of these decisions is the best one for me today? It's as simple as that. You just got to keep doing that for a lot of decisions, and you kind of have to feel within your gut, within your heart, whatever it is that you're feeling. The reason why is because third, you got to take notes. You got to understand how you feel before you ask a question, right? For either a decision, A or B. And then after you're done making your decision with either one, did it turn out good? Did it turn out bad? If it turned out great, try to take note of what that good feeling was. If it turned out bad, then remember how that felt too. That way, whenever you're in a real life situation, making life choices, you'll be able to understand just how you feel inside and which ones led to a better or negative choice. Now remember, those things are what I've used a lot to be able to just understand how I felt inside, how my decisions might be good, how might turn out bad. But as you develop it and keep practicing this skill, you'll start to feel more complex emotions, kind of as if it was forming a sentence. But that's another video for another time. Another easy way to practice this skill is that if you're a driver and you drive and you're trying to get somewhere, ask your spirit guide, your higher self, your universe, whatever it is, which one is the fastest lane for me? As you do that and you just kind of empty your mind and just listen, it doesn't really tell you straight up, left, right, middle. Doesn't say that. It just kind of gives you a vibe, kind of a feeling. At least that's how it is for my case. So of course you should always practice being chill, meditating, being zen. You can do this by doing different kinds of activities. For me, it's sometimes when I play music, when I do yoga, just walking around, driving. It's just some sort of kind of activity that gets you in the present. It's kind of like when you're in the shower and then you get these really awesome thoughts in your brain. It's kind of like that. You want to kind of get into that zone when you need to. You kind of want to activate it like a superpower or something. Once you're able to understand yourself, a little more complex, kind of feel what it's kind of giving you, you can go out there, see the signs, listen to the universe, whatever it is that you believe in, and it'll guide you to your personal legend. So eventually you'll be able to do what the main character in The Alchemist does. You'll be able to see the omens and signs in the universe. So if you ever find yourself in a life situation where you need some guidance, some help, whatever it is, please ask one of those things, your spirit guide, higher self, universe, whatever, for some sort of advice or some sort of sign, and then you just wait. You kind of let everything just happen on its own time. Sometimes you get an answer instantly, sometimes it comes later, sometimes it comes much, much later. but there will always be an answer somehow. Everything that I've talked about in this video is something that I've either learned or experienced for myself, but also like the feelings that happen, I feel like it's different for everyone, so try and take notes, whether it's mentally or you write it down, because I feel like it really will help you in the long run. It's helped me so far, so. But yes, if you have any comments or questions or things you want me to cover, please leave a comment down below, and I promise I'll answer it to the best of my abilities. But that's pretty much it for this video, so if you want to see more of what I do, consider hitting the subscribe button down below for future content. And if you like what you see, hit the like button. Follow me on social media if you want to get updates or just talk to me about my new videos. And all I want to say is, thanks for watching. Until next time, see ya.